Good morning, noon, and night. So today we're here in my jewelry store, Riley & Co. Jewelers, and we're going to do some ring sizes. So we're going to take a few rings down, we're going to take a few rings up, and I'll take you through the process, and here we go. So today we're working on 5 rings. 2 of them will be sizing down from size 7 to 6.5. 2 other ones we're sizing from 4s to 6.5s, and then 1 we're just going to fix a break that's in the ring. And here's the start of it. Let's get to it. So on the 2 rings that are going down in size, we're taking these from 7 to 6.5. We need to mark the amount of spacing that we want to take out of these rings. So we have these little cheat things that show us how much to take out. So for reshaping the rings, these didn't have a whole lot to come out, so I'm going to be able to just squeeze them with my finger. Then we'll take them over to the laser welder and get them put into place. Alright, so for the next step, we're going to have to cut a groove so we have a spot for our weld to go into. So for the other 2 rings, we're sizing them up. They're currently a size 4 and we're going to a size 6.5. So we're gonna have to add some metal. All right, so now we have our sizing pieces cut and they're ready to go into the ring. So we'll do pretty much the same thing as we did the first time, but we'll have to do it twice. So we'll put in the first joint, we'll get it lined up, then we'll do the second joint and that will attach the 2 pieces. We'll do the same thing, we'll carve it out, and then shape it, polish it. Right, now that the rings are formed to the size they need to be, we're going to take and file them down. The next step here is to polish the rings out. to rock. So now we're done with the ring sizings. That has us going 2 rings sized up, 2 rings sized down, and 1 ring just a weld brake. Thanks for coming along with us. If you like today's content, please like, subscribe, and until next time, stay safe.